आज ना शुरू ही करेंगे कमेंट सेक्शन के साथ। वहां से बात करते हैं शुरू। आप बताइए अपनी न्यू ईयर की रेजोल्यूशन। राइट इट डाउन इन द कमेंट सेक्शन बिलो। आई कैन बेट दैट मोर देन 90% ऑफ यू विल एक्चुअली यूज वर्ड्स लाइक फिटनेस, हेल्थ और वर्कआउट इन दोज रेजोल्यूशंस, क्योंकि हम सब ने अब ये रियलाइज कर लिया कि फिटनेस और हेल्थ जो है ना सिर्फ एक न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन नहीं, इट इज एक्चुअली वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट अराउंड द ईयर। मेक्स अस फील गुड, मेक्स अस फील मोर एक्टिव, मोर एनर्जेटिक। ओनली प्रॉब्लम इज स्टिकिंग टू दैट न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन एंड दैट ओथ बहुत मुश्किल है, राइट? बट एक ऐसी कैटेगरी है that is actually making sure that you do it, a category on fire and truly a boon on our wrists, स्मार्ट वॉचेस। और वह जब वो स्मार्ट वॉच जो है एक्चुअली उसके हार्ट एंड कोर में ट्रू फिटनेस एंड स्पोर्ट्स बिल्ट इन है, देन इट इज एक्चुअली सोने पे सुहागा। इट्स ट्वाइस एज वैल्यूएबल। नाउ यू नो देयर हैज बीन अ फ्लरी, बहुत सारे वेयरेबल डिवाइसेस निकले हैं फ्रॉम एवरीवन। एवरीबडी सीम्स टू हैव इट, फ्रॉम द बेस्ट ऑफ देम द लाइक्स ऑफ एप्पल और सैमसंग इंक्लूडेड। लेकिन सुपर हैप्पी टू नाउ ब्रिंग यू एन इंडियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द सेम कैटेगरी टुडे, बिकॉज दिस वन is as good, if not better, than any wearable in the world, not in the country, because I've been actually using this. It is incredible. Yeah, Track Pro Triathlon by Titan is the big daddy of fitness smartwatches in every which way. शुरू करते हैं first with its looks, and this is what it absolutely and totally shines in. It looks its spot. It's as pro and as state of the art as you can actually make a smartwatch look. Then, due to the smarts, it's also like your fitness buddy. It looks like a sports watch because essentially that's what it is. It's all about fitness and sports built deep into its core. It's a watch that has smartwatch functions also, not the other way around, which is the biggest problem with most smartwatches. This automatically also means that this has a very long battery life, one of the biggest problems with any smartwatch. It has an optimized 290 mAh battery, and it's built like a tank, totally solid, very, very durable, because that's how you're going to really use it, right? The kind of activities that you'll take it for, it has to be solid. The watch head is made of ABS plus 10% glass fiber, and the glass is built of mineral glass on it. It's rated to withstand depths of up to 50 meters underwater and can survive mud and other impacts. So it's absolutely, like I said, solid, which is very logical, necessary because of its name. Triathlon, right? So you're going to use it in those conditions. It means that this watch can help track your triathlon training and do it all very smartly because it has multi-sports enabled. Very rare and very unique that a watch can do all of that in one shot, which means you can start swimming with it, have it tracked, transition to cycling, have that tracked, then on to running, and that's tracked as well, and it does it all like this. And by tracked, Titan means tracked and logged in to absolute extreme details. Now this watch by track will keep track of your pace, it'll keep track of your average speed, distance covered, and heart rate zones very, very professionally across all three sports. And you can easily review your performance for swimming, cycling and running individually to check your strong points in those areas that actually need improvement. Men and women, are you listening? You need this, and you need this now. And while having an app makes logging and reviewing this data very, very easy, and the app is available for both Android and iOS, makes it very simple. Anybody can use it. Many features like GPS tracking are smartphone independent. You do not need your smartphone at all. In fact, the watch can store 100 activity records without even syncing. And the MediaTek made GPS chip helps track your position and provide guidance with extremely high accuracy. That's why they call it the 100% accurate GPS. The heart rate monitor is also super accurate. It comes in very handy when you're trying to build your stamina gradually, whether you're just a hobbyist, somebody that loves fitness, or you're doing it professionally. It's divided into 5 zones: warming up, which is 50 to 60%, calorie burn, which is 61 to 70%, aerobic exercise 71 to 80%, anaerobic exercise 81 to 90%, and maximum intensity 91 to 100%. Now here's another very unique feature that the Track Pro has, and that is it is Ant Plus compatible. Very few smartwatches in the world come with this extended compatibility. Now having this actual feature means that other equipment that is Ant compatible, you can connect this watch with all those devices and it just works flawlessly because it's been made that way. That means it could be a cross trainer at your gym, or a heart monitor, or a treadmill. It's a very neat feature to actually have, and it does have most of the other regular smartwatch functions also above all of this. It pairs to your phone via Bluetooth 5.0, wherein it will display call and message alerts on its transflective display. That actually means it can work outside and inside, day and night. This 1.34-inch LCD display is very easy to read during the bright day and during night, like I said. And since it's by Titan, a readily available classic legacy Indian brand that we all love and respect, the 1-year warranty that comes with it makes all the more sense because you can easily get service if something goes wrong. There is one more watch in this track range that also really stands out for me. The Pro Triathlon watch gets good competition from its other brother, the Track Cardio. Clearly, आप इस watch का USP समझ ही गए होंगे by the very name that it's very, very good for tracking cardio-based activities like running, cycling, and walking. But it doesn't have every single feature of the triathlon watch because this one is a total and absolute beast.